Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are crafting a premium logo using only custom shapes. First we set our canvas and choose a clean workspace so the design stayed controlled. Now we pick a bold geometric shape that will act as the foundation of our luxury mark. Once it's placed, we reshape the corner to soften the structure and add balance. Then we duplicate the shape and rotate it so it builds a unified visual rhythm. Now we again tightening the spacing to make sure every angle feels intentional. Once the base looks solid, we bring in a secondary accent shape for depth. We blend the shapes together, fill